Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by saving your work. Copy project folders to a safe location so nothing is lost. Once done, close Android Studio and open Task Manager to kill any lingering Gradle or emulator processes. This prevents file locks. Then make sure to open Control Panel and navigate to Programs and Features. That is where you start the removal of Android Studio. You're acting now to avoid permission errors later, so don't skip the backup and process skill steps. You uninstall Android Studio from Programs and Features. Choose Uninstall and follow prompts. After the app is removed, go to the default SDK path, usually C, /users /your name /appdata /local /android /SDK, and delete the entire SDK folder to reclaim space. Next, remove AVDs and emulator images found under C, /users /your name /Android and the Android /avd directory. Make sure to check app data locations for leftover tools, because those files are the largest and are not always removed by the uninstaller. You finish by deleting configuration and caches. Remove folders like C, /users /your name Android Studio X, Y and C, /users /your name Gradle to clear settings. Then edit system environment variables and remove Android SDK or Platform Tools entries from path so no orphan references remain. Restart your PC to finalize cleanup and confirm there are no Android.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.